Another one? This one's different.
It looks different.
That one's the next size up.
Child, seriously.
Now you got two. Nice
Oh,
job.
that's nice.
Yoda? That's kind of cool.
He's got a card too. I gave him a card.
He opened
Does
it.
you gotta read
He
it?
already read his card?
Yeah.
Okay.
Read it out loud, baby. Read it out loud.
Summer coffin.
Okay. I'll help you. None of that is cursive. Fulfill your destiny.
That plate. Be careful that plate.
Levi.
Listen, you're gonna have to get arrested for
Push
Broadway.
Ooh.
He's tearing it up. Look at him.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
Card.
Let me see. Hold
Say
it.
something.
Do it again. Everybody
I
stop.
was gonna say something.
I know.
I know. I was gonna say
Open
something.
it. Ready?
You're welcome.
Cool.
It says, fulfill your destiny, you must. Much to celebrate there is. Happy birthday. Levi, it says, happy birthday, we love you so much. We're so proud of you. Your baseball games were awesome. You were awesome. We love you and miss you. Have a fun day. Big hugs, Grandma and Granddad. Oh, it's not yours.
Lexi, look out. Move, Lexi.
Hold it up one more time, baby girl. She's like, Amy's like, get her on me. One more time, Amy, please. Hold it up.
What?
Picture.
He has it.
Let's see, Asa.
Cool.
Show me.
I get to do all two
Push it.
All right, Levi. Let's get all this garbage.